Want to turn ideas into income? Say less. It's Free Money Wednesdays. Every week, we drop the hottest funding alerts, grants, scholarships, startup catch, and hidden gems. Tune in with the Free Money crew as we break down how to apply, win, and level up. From the blog to the tube, we've got you covered. Visit mycoachministry.com/blog or subscribe on YouTube at mycoachministry for the latest drops.
Thank you so much for joining me again and for staying with me and for being here again for Free Money Wednesdays. Okay, so what are we chopping up today? In our Free Money Wednesday.
mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.
Welcome to Free Money Wednesday. This is episode 20, of course, and it's loaded with real opportunities. 89 grants you can apply for right now in August 2025. A fresh list just dropped on my website. Let's go there. Go there. Oh. All right, so a fresh list, another powerful edition of Free Money Wednesday, where you don't chase the bag, we catch it, collect it, and multiply it. I'm your host, of course, Coach Raquel, and today we're stepping into episode 20 with something major. So 89 grant opportunities. Yes, you heard that right. 89 funding alerts to elevate your mission, movement, or masterpiece, all put together in one place right now over on mycoachministry.com. But right here, I'm giving you the rundown you didn't know you needed. So let's go. Number one, for the women, the founders, and dreamers, Fearless Strivers Grant for Black women entrepreneurs. Get up to $20,000 to scale your business and mentorship from MasterCard. Cartier Women's Initiative, global recognition funding, and support for women-led businesses solving social or environmental issues. Tory Burch Fellows Program, 5,000 grant and year-long access to founder training. These aren't just checks. These aren't just checks. They're doors to mentorship, visibility, and new circles. Number two, for the global change makers. Obama Foundation Global Leaders Program, fully funded leadership training for civic innovators across the globe. UNESCO Young Professionals Program, open for emerging leaders from underrepresented countries in global policy. Global Citizen Fellowship for young people tackling social issues. Tackling social justice in South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, and beyond. You're not too small to be global. You just need the right launch pad. Number three, for educators, coaches, creators, and community organizers. NEA Foundation Learning and Leadership Grants, up to $5,000 for educators pursuing professional growth. Sony Create Action Grant, monthly $50,000 award for nonprofits doing community-based work. The Pollination Project, daily $1,000 seed grant to activists and innovators around the world. If you've been doing the work, this is the financial amen. And number four, for the thinkers, artists, and innovators. National Endowment for the Artists, NEA, Challenge America, $10,000 grants for small orgs bringing arts to underserved communities. Black Ambition Prize from Pharrell Williams, funding for Black and Latinx founders in tech, design, and creative industries. Adobe Creative Residency Community Fund for creators of all disciplines doing social socially conscious work. You don't need a huge platform, just a bold idea and the right application. Number 5, for health, wellness, and healing focused missions. Wellness for All grant. New fund supporting organizations centered on mental health, community care, and holistic healing. Robert Wood Johnson Foundation grants for public health, food justice, and health equity initiatives. If your work heals, uplifts, and saves, there's free money for that too. Bonus gems. You have Amber Grant for women business owners, monthly awards, plus $25,000 year-end bonus. Patreon Creative Fund for digital creators, building community through content. Resist.org. Mini grants for grassroots justice organizations. Remember, you don't need to apply for all 89, but you do need to apply for at least one. At least one, because the bag is not hiding. It's posted with your name on it. Find the full list of 89 opportunities now at mycoachministry.com. Set your reminders, tell your group chat, and get your receipts ready. If you learned something, if you felt something, or if your next move just got funded, share this episode. Please tag at My Coach Ministry, and don't forget to subscribe. All right? Please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and leave a comment. All right? Amazing. We're almost at the end of our program, right? It has been I had a lovely time with you today. Did you have a good time with me today? It is my hope that you did. All right. Oh my goodness. We made it to the end of the episode. That's a wrap on episode 20. How did you feel about it? I hope you felt good. I hope there was some inspiration in it for you. I hope you felt empowered mostly, more than anything. So we unlocked powerful tools, unpacked deep truths, and we unlocked access to financial breakthroughs. So if something stirred your spirit, don't keep it to yourself. Share, subscribe, leave a comment, like, and let's keep growing together. Okay, so until next time, refresh your mind, relax your body, renew your vision. All right, let's make refresh, relax, renew a movement for self. Refresh, relax, renew. I'm Coach Raquel. Thank you so much for staying with me. Goodbye. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Raquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Raquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.